Yeah, Grace Mondlana and the late ex. I don't want to speak about Grace Mondlana per se, but obviously she's trending and what she's going through just sparked this conversation. Guys, I don't know why you guys, most people are dragging Grace Bible forward and what. Whereas as black people, this is exactly what happens in the black community when a husband dies. This is exactly what happens. Why are you guys saying, hey, Grace will forward, Let's focus on the family of the guy. Isn't that what happens? Where when the husband dies, now the exes are coming. Now the kids are just coming out of nowhere that the family knew. Now people are having front row mourning sessions, than the actual wife, than the actual girlfriend. Like, let's just stop dragging Grace. Let's just look at us as black people that this is a perfect example of what happens when somebody's husband dies.